Okay, in this video we're moving on to the next part, and it's pretty simple. It's applying the vertical line test to determine if the graph represents an actual function. You may remember that when we talked about the definition of a function with all the post office mailbox stuff, one of the rules is that every x value must be assigned exactly one y value. And the last characteristic that we talked about, I showed a parabola, and I had this vertical line that was underneath it, and it swooped underneath, to show you that if you looked up from any of those spots, you wouldn't see x crossing y at more than one spot. Okay, and I made a comment about the vertical line test, and that's what we're doing. If you think about this graphically, it means that a vertical line would cross the graph one time everywhere along the curve. If it crossed more than once, you would know that the curve does not represent a function. So it's literally that easy. Just think of a vertical line everywhere on the graph, not just in one spot, but you have to look everywhere on the graph. And if it crosses any spot, any number more than once, then it's not a function. Alright, so let's say that this is our function right here. Another fine looking parabola. Does this represent a function? Okay, well, here's our vertical line. If I take that vertical line and I move it across, you'll notice that it doesn't cross the graph anywhere more than one time. So that counts as a function. How about this one? Another spectacular looking graph. If I move that line, it doesn't cross anywhere more than once again. So again, it counts as a function. This one here, as I move this line across, I notice right there it crosses two different spots. And in fact, if I continued on, it would cross in three different spots in another spot. Okay? Therefore, it does not count as a function. It is not a function. Hey, look at that. That's the end of the video.